welcome back to another Spark00AJ video. Now today, you're probably all wondering, Sparks, what are you doing? Like, you posted so much, why do you keep on posting? And I'm like, well, because right now, I have nothing better to do. In quarantine, it's just boring, and my enjoyment is making YouTube videos to impress all of you guys. So today, you're probably wondering, Sparks, what are you going to be doing? Like, hush, my child, let me tell you. We're going to be adopting children in the pillow room because I feel very motherly. I feel like I could be a great mother. So let's get on with the video. Now, first of all, we need to dress appropriately for the matter. Now, I must admit, this outfit is pretty snazzy. So, I don't know whether I want to change or not. Oh, but Sparks, the fans want it. Fine, I guess I'll change my very snazzy outfit into a very granny-like one. Much better. Now that we fix our look, all we gotta do is go to the pillow room. So let's teleport there. Now the first rational thing to do is say, I want to be a mother. And sit there. We'll wait until we go. Oh, whoa, yeah, we're getting a buddy request. Oh, yes, we're going to be a mother. I need a partner! Inappropriate! And then, of course, when you say, does anyone want to be my child, it blocks your message. So that's fun. The closest thing I could say is I'm looking for children. Now, let's go. We found our first child. The first thing to say is, hello, I am your mother, so they know exactly what's going on in the situation. I am baby girl, no name. Your name is Fifi. Where are the adoption certificates? I need to see them. As a mother, you need to feed your child. And this is exactly what I'm doing. Oh, shoot, they just wakes up. Doesn't eat, she doesn't eat. Oh, tries to run away. Oh no! Oh God! Everything's just going wrong! Oh no, she fell! Oh no! Are you okay? The child must still be alive. I have to get my money. And of course, you have to then cuddle your child, because what better way to be a mother? Am I right or am I right? I'm always right. That shouldn't be a question. What are you doing? Wow. Oh God. Puts pacifier in. Yes! Said it. Now, I'm the type of person to say pacifier, not, what do you call the sucky things? Oh, that's inappropriate. Animal Jam, don't come at me. Guys, Animal Jam's gonna sue me. I'm scared. Oh, what was that? My computer lagged. He said yummy, yummy. I'm gonna say, I can't say feeds nipples. It's feeds bottled milk. Oh my God. I hate being a mother. Someone please get me out of this mess. But Sparks, the fans really want you to be a mother, so you better pucker up and go and be that mother. Okay guys, fine, I'll be a mother for like another minute or two, and I'm probably gonna lock them out my den, so I'm such a good mother. Why do people roleplay? Now I've realised I have made a terrible mistake. Feeds croissants. Oh my God, you know what that reminds me of? Are you gonna finish that croissant? In all seriousness, don't be a mother. You will regret it for the rest of your life. I'm warning you. Look how cute this is. Oh, we're having like mother bonding times. Her name is Fifi, and her middle names are probably some Spanish. Oh, is tired. Oh, shoot. Well, better go to bed then. Puts to sleep. Now that sounds like some sort of horror movie character where they like kind of like drug the people. Inappropriate behavior. Okay, this is like a child-friendly channel. I know, but like, come on. Falls asleep. Yes, now mummy can go take drug. Never mind. Don't listen to a word I just said. What is wrong with me? Finally, some peace and quiet. Hey everyone, you made it to like the near end of the video. I just wanted a quick shout out. I know I've plugged it so many times, but go follow me on Instagram at sparks.ajj. Okay, thank you so much. Oh shoot, she just pooped. It's diaper. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Someone help me. I'm sorry, kids. This child is pooping everywhere, and she's just so annoying. I need to flee. I need to flee. I have to leave this child. I'm sorry, child. I'm fleeing. Good luck. Good luck, child. Good luck. Everyone, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.